Hey, so I just got done doing, that was really aggressive too, by the way, sorry. I just got done doing my makeup a few minutes ago, so I was gonna go live and show you how to clean the brushes, but I couldn't, to try to get the phone set up, it's kind of hard. So what I do is I use a bar of soap called a Zote bar, and I'm actually gonna set you, I have a little setup to put my phone, my kid's lunchbox, can you see it? So I use a bar of soap. It's called a Zote bar. Zote, it's Z-O-T-E. I'm not really sure how you say it. I order mine on Amazon. I think you can also get them at Walmart, but I just get them on Amazon because it's cheaper and you can buy a set of 3 of them for like $7. It's super cheap. So it looks like this. I keep it, this is an old Q-tip box. I keep it in a little box under the sink and I take it out. And then I'm gonna put the phone in here real quick. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just trying to prop my phone up so you guys can see. So what I do is I get it wet and then I take the brush and I have all my brushes kind of sitting on the side and I just rub it on here like this. So as you can see how much makeup comes off of it, this is what it looks like before. And you just rub, see look, you can, I don't know if you guys can see how much makeup is coming off of this. But this just really cleans it. And I pull it out from the water sometimes too, and then just get a ton of soap in there, put the bar soap down and just rub it in my hands. And this is how I clean my brushes every week. This keeps the bacteria from building up, first of all, so that you don't have breakouts in your skin. And it also keeps your brushes really fresh and keeps the bristles nice. And it also helps to apply your makeup better. You can't apply makeup on a brush when it's super, super dirty. It won't go evenly. So the other ones I do all my brushes actually, but the other one I want to show you was my eyeshadow brushes. So these are my 2 fluffy crease brushes. You can see how dirty they are. So I rub them under. Oh, buddy, my son's over there. And then I rub them on the soap in my hand, and then you can see that they're clean. It took me, what, like 2 seconds. And so I do every single brush like that, and I do that once a week. I definitely recommend it, A, to keep your brushes clean, and so they last longer, 2, to prevent bacteria from building up on them, so it prevents breakouts, and 3, it's gonna make your makeup go on better. I can tell that I need to clean my brushes when my makeup is not sitting right on my face. That's the best way to kind of combat or troubleshoot. So hopefully that's helpful. I'll post a link in the comments of that Zote bar that I use on Amazon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.